Hello, this is Dave, and welcome to Equity Story. I hope you all had a really nice long weekend, and look forward to hopefully doing some trades and making some more money this week. We did say on Sunday evening that we thought this week would be slightly more bullish than bearish, and so far that's how it's turning out, which is good because I do think, as you all know, that these are going to be sort of pretty interesting times this month of October. And Equity Story, we have been taking a lot of profits on a lot of 3-year growth stories, and the reason we want to do that is we just feel this month if there is a big pullback, then we can have some cash in the bank to obviously take advantage of if there is a market pullback to significantly, possibly lower levels. What we're actually looking at, the trending shares actually looking alright at the moment. FPH actually looks really good. Great price action, one of the best trending shares on the market, and doing its job for us. So hopefully it won't be long before I think we can take some decent money out of that stock. BAP, again, what a fantastic trend, up 2.35% today. And again, like I said, those who are in this trend at the moment, take it if you can. If you've got some money, obviously there's you can get some more shares at 585. The way this is trending, it certainly looks like a good idea to do that. And again, just a absolutely fantastic looking stock. SIP, again, starting to head into some decent profits for us. And I think some of these trending shares at the moment have been a little bit like, for the first time really since beginning of this year, since January, that's a little bit like pulling teeth at the moment. But SIP starting to do work for us, and hopefully that 150 will be a decent target for us. FXL, again, starting to make decent profits out of it. I wouldn't sell it. It's got great chart, great price action. Like we said, we've got a nice dividend on this, and we've got a good profit on the trade, so it's all looking good. I think this can run up a lot harder over the next week. Evolution, again, we're happy to, we're sort of great looking trends, both Evolution and Northern Star. They look good. Northern Star had a little bit of selling pressure today, but it still looks absolutely fantastic. Nothing more at the moment in these times. We like really good trending stocks, making a lot of money, that obviously sort of give us a lot of support if on the downside, and I think gold's just a good place to be this month. Vocus trading pretty poorly, but again, holding around that sort of $6 level, and we sort of, this stock fell pretty quickly, one of the best trending stocks on the ASX, and sometimes this can happen, but you just got to look at it fundamentally now, and fundamentally we only trend stocks that we believe fundamentally are good, and this is, I think, really good value at these sort of levels. That's on a forward P of 12, and it's growing its earnings next year, 25%. So we obviously have it pretty relaxed holding that stock at these sort of levels. And again, ORE starting to look really good, doing its thing, really coming back and sort of flirting with this long-term moving average. We've got a sort of a $4.50 target price on this, hopefully within the next month or 2 months, and we feel pretty confident we should get it. Fundamentally, it's a great story, ORE as well. Just having a look at the weekly buy signals. Generally speaking, they're doing really well. Obviously, the standout CSR. I know a few of you got into CSR today, and I think you're looking to take profits around that 385. We don't Equity Stories say, obviously, with these weekly buy signals when to sell them. But often, if you're not sort of familiar, you can use certain levels and or certain swing highs as maybe give you a guidance to get out of these stories. And the reason we don't with these buy signals, they are really short-term trades, and we know a lot of people are using CFDs and really different spreads, so we don't really want to sort of mess around with that. And again, great to see the bullish stocks really performing well, and GUD hitting record highs today. Had a really nice jump this week as opened the week at 10.56 and now traded as high as $11 today, hitting that record high. And Aristocrat fantastic, looking very very bullish, and at 16.28, so looks very good, and it hit 16.63 today, so that's a fantastic jump. um, I'd like to obviously thank you for listening to Equity Story, and I think we're going to have obviously more news to put out over this week, and I look forward to doing this report tomorrow night. Thank you. Good night.